Hello guys, this is Shahzad Rabbani again. This video is a trade setup, a view of GBP, Great British Pound versus JPY, Japanese Yen. It would be applicable on a daily chart. Remember, this video may be helpful for trading sessions starts from 6th of February 2017 onward. Remember, it is a swing trading setup, so if you need to grab a full result of this trading setup, you would require to have about a month. Before reading the chart, I'm gonna have a risk disclosure warning statement from my side. This video is only for educational purposes and FX trading carrying margin and substantial risk. Therefore, it is not suitable for every investor. Alright, now as you can see, we are in a chart of gbpjpy. It is a daily chart. Remember, this trade setup would be applicable or having good results on a daily chart. It is up to you. You may choose 4-hour charts, weekly charts, or monthly charts. But remember, the larger the swing, the larger the risk. The lower the swings, the lower the risk, right? So it is up to you. If you are a swing trader, then I would strictly request you to stick up on a daily chart. As you can see, this is the chart. Each candles represent on a day. Right from here to here, there was an uptrend. An uptrend has a series of higher highs and higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. One thing which you must be see by this, as on this scenario, as the candles are peeping from one to each another, and also having shorter the length, right? And the move is just like sell, buy, sell, buy, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, right? But on this particular point, there is a rocket skying, right? As this pair is shoot up. So in order to know an uptrend and to have a better understanding, you need to have a pivot. You need to have pivot points of certain candles in an upward trend, like higher high and higher low. These higher high and higher lows would be your pivot points. So you must be keep in mind that you have to buy the market. If there is a buying trend persists, you need to have higher high and higher low, right? And this scenario, this is the high, this is the low, right? This is the high, this is the low, this is the high, this is the low, this is the high, low means higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, all together, right? What happened on this point? This is the previous swing low. This is the higher high, higher low, higher high. This is the previous swing low, higher low in an upward market. As this point, the market has broken this upward upward trend, I would say, because as it has broken this previous swing low, right? So you can see the market is downward, right? This is the lower low. After this breaching, right, one would imagine to have a sell trend because the previous swing high low has broken. Remember, each downtrend has lower high, lower low pattern like this: lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Getting point? Okay, so what would be my trade? As after reaching these levels, I would draw a trend line that connects the previous low points, and this is this would be any would be very powerful candle, powerful trend if it touches if it has more than 2 touches, right? This is the one touch, the market upward. This is the second touch, the market after this upward, and this is the third touch when it's break. Right now, I would say that market is in a sell trend. So if I were on this stage, I would have sell on this point. My stop loss would be the previous swing high. In this case, this was the swing high, previous swing high. So this is the risk which I've taken for this trade on a presumption basis with 218 pips risk. So one scenario is at least I would reward a double, right, or somewhere, right, or as long as the market has pattern of lower high, lower low, my stop loss after posting every lower low, the previous lower high would be my stop loss, right? So as you can see, this pair is trading of 140.82 at the point of recording of this video. So now one would say what I have to do. Don't worry, I'm just going to tell you what you have to do. After breaking this upward trend line, market has this low, right, and this high. This is the low, this is the high, right? After this high, it has posted this low. That is the higher low, right? Higher low, this higher low, right? When you found anything, right, you just presume at this point now that the market is in a sell trend and lower high and lower low pattern, but you have found this, the higher low. This is the higher low, right? This is the low, this is the high, this is the higher low, right? So when you have not these pattern in a downward trend, lower high, lower low, you put your trend line, right, this is the lowest point, and this is the low point, lower point as well, the lower high, higher low, sorry, higher low, this high is low, right? So I have just made this trend line, and I need to weight it, though it is one touch and second touch and third touch. After third touch, the trend line has broken, the upward trend line has broken, so I place another sell order over there, right? Just I would say my sell would be on this point, my stop loss would be the previous swing high at this point, right? Here is my stop loss, and double would be my reward, or after posting now the lower low, right, and then the lower high, after lower high the previous lower low would be my stop loss, would be my trailing stop. So this is my trade of gbpjpy. If you have any question or query, please don't hesitate, just write to me. It's a great honor that you are with me. I'm very honored and very pleased if you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.